I'm Walkster 1970, and today I'm going to be installing a replacement ignition coil on this Craftsman walk-behind mower. The one that was on it finally stopped working, wasn't putting any spark out anymore. So I got this replacement one from HIPA. I'm going to be installing it on here, so let's get started. This is the ignition coil from HIPA. Professional replacement ports for outdoor power equipment designed to fit your machine, small engines, 2 and 4 cycle, lawn and garden equipment. Every experience consistent, every machine like new, every part a perfect fit. This is part number X004SQZ4V4. Ignition coil for this model engine. And let's take it out of the box, see what we got here. And there's our replacement coil. Not much to it. Let's get that old one off and then put this one on and see if it starts. First thing we're going to do is take these 2 screws out. This is a Phillips head. I'm going to take this cover off. Move the rope around it. Move that off to the side. Then we've got 1, 2, 3 bolts here. They will be either an 8mm or a 5/16. Got a 5/16 socket with a 1/4 inch extension, 1/4 inch drive ratchet. Taking these bolts out. Put them somewhere where I don't lose them. And then there is, there's a bolt down on the side here. I'll have to take that out. That's the 10mm. Got a 10mm socket, 1/4 inch drive. There's a bolt right down here. Got to take out. And sometimes there's a spacer behind here that you have to make sure you get also. Does not have a spacer. This is a bolt that I removed. And this should lift up and out of the way. I've got 8mm or 5/16 bolt here that holds the oil dipstick tube in. I'm going to take that off. Just move that out of the way. And then there's a bolt here, a bolt here, a bolt here, and a bolt here. I got to remove those. And those take a 10mm, I do believe. So I'm going to start with this one. And then this should lift off and out of the way. There's our ignition coil. So I'm going to take the spark plug lead wire off. I'm going to pull this boot off Might have to put some lube on it to get her off. And there we go. Got that off. These are 1/4 inch. They have a 1/4 inch socket. Moving both of these. Feed this wire up through here. We're going to take our ground wire off. Make sure that our kill wire is definitely disengaging. Here is our old coil. Here is our replacement coil. It looks different, but it should function the same. So I'm going to hook this wire back up on. Like that. Put this wire, you can see it says on here this side out. Put this wire down through here. What that was. I'm gonna line it up. Snug. Oh, just finger tighten them on there. And what I'm going to do is take this business card and I'm going to put it in between the coil I'm going to turn this. Like that. Put the business card in between there. That'll give us just enough clearance. That's what we want. You can snug them down. Don't have to be super tight because you can easily break these off. Turn this. There we go. Clearance should be good. If it's not rubbing. Seems good. Put the boot back on here. Where you're going to need a little bit of lube. I'm going to use some of this penetrating blaster, PV blaster. Spray a little bit in here. Come on. Get her on there. There we go. Now we can put everything back together. Let me check this air intake. I got the support. It's a little loose. Now I'm going to put this back on. Tank out of the way. Oh, here's our spacer. Don't want to forget that. The spacer back in here, that'll go down here. I don't know if you can see that. First got to get oil fill tube back on. 5/16 bolt. I think these are all the same. This back on. Starter bolt down here. These bolts in here. Got those snugged up. Put this one in on the side. Put this cover back on. think I'm gonna have to get some gas because it looks empty. Let's see if this thing can start up. That's all she needed. That'll do it for installing the replacement ignition coil from HIPA on the Craftsman 21-inch walk-behind mower with the 6 horsepower Briggs & Stratton engine. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and stay safe. And thanks for watching.